Bollywood actresses who are enemies. Alia Bhatt and Katrina Kaif. Once these two actresses were the best friends, but then Katrina started hating Alia when she got engaged with Ranbir. Katrina thinks that Ranbir cheated with her only when he fell in love with Alia. Kangana Ranaut and Deepika Padukone. Their catfight was the talk of the B-town as Kangana teased Deepika in public. Kangana is simply jealous of her success. As expected, Deepika didn't invite Kangana in her wedding when whole Bollywood industry was there. Deepika Padukone and Katrina Kaif. Deepika always blamed Katrina for her breakup with her ex-boyfriend Ranbir Kapoor. Ranbir was getting close to Katrina when they met at the set of Jagga Jasoos shooting. After that, he started dating Katrina and broke up with Deepika. Heartbroken, Deepika always hates Katrina for none other than her ex-boyfriend Ranbir Kapoor. Sonam Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai. Sonam taunted Ash and labelled her auntie in a public post that went viral in social media also. After that, former Miss Universe Ash was pissed off with Sonam. She also confirmed not doing any film with Sonam as she hates her. Anushka Sharma and Deepika Padukone. Anushka was dating Ranveer and suddenly Ranveer dumped her and started dating Deepika. For this obvious reason, Anushka and Deepika became enemies to each other. We can hardly see them together. Katrina Kaif and Priyanka Chopra. The rivalry started between these two glamorous actresses when both wanted to be the showstopper in a famous fashion event. Katrina tried to grab that opportunity by any way and finally was selected as the showstopper. Priyanka got upset with that. After that, they were never seen together in any event. Kangana and Sonam Kapoor. Sonam slammed Kangana in public saying that she looks ordinary and doesn't know how to act. After knowing that, Kangana also taunted Sonam as the spoiled rich kid. The catfight continued for a long time. Sara Ali Khan and Janhvi Kapoor. Being star kids, they seem really close to each other in front of the camera. But in real life, Sara and Janhvi cannot stand each other. Priyanka Chopra and Kareena Kapoor. Their tiff began when Priyanka was getting close to Kareena's former boyfriend Shahid Kapoor. Being a possessive girlfriend, Kareena could not tolerate Priyanka. Both passed some taunting comments to each other, even publicly, and after this ugly fight, both became enemy for life. Rani Mukherjee and Aishwarya Rai. The Cold War between Rani and Ash is due to Aishwarya's husband Abhishek Bachchan. Before Aish, Rani was dating Abhishek and they were really close to each other. Abhishek ditched Rani and started dating her present wife Aishwarya. For this reason, Ash hates Rani and also warned Abhishek not to sign any film with Rani. Kareena Kapoor and Bipasha Basu. Their ugly fight started when Kareena insulted Bipasha as Kali Billi. This catfight went so bad that Bipasha never worked with Kareena again. Madhuri Dixit and Sridevi. Senior actress Sridevi got jealous when Madhuri became one of the best actresses in 90s. Though they never confessed their jealousy publicly, but Sridevi never wanted to work with Madhuri on screen. Later, Madhuri confirmed that she always considered Sridevi as her tough competition. Basically, they both were rivals to each other. Aishwarya Rai and Susmita Sen. After so many years, Aish and Susmita remains enemy to each other because of Miss World pageant. Both got into that competition, but only Susmita made it and became the Miss World that year. From that day, Ash always considered Susmita as her enemy. They never share good bonding, not even in public. Jaya Bachchan and Rekha. The common factor of these two ladies is none other than Amitabh Bachchan.